Hello, I'm Luna. Welcome to English with Luna. Today, I will tell you a simple and relaxing story in English. This story will help you improve your listening and your vocabulary. Try to listen carefully and follow the text on the screen. If you can, repeat the sentences after you hear them. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just relax and enjoy the story. Let's begin. Anna lives in a small apartment near the city center. She works during the week, so she usually goes shopping on Saturday. On Saturday morning, she wakes up a little later than usual. She feels relaxed because she does not have to work. She makes breakfast and drinks a cup of tea. While she eats, she thinks about what she needs to buy. After breakfast, Anna takes a small notebook and writes a list. Milk, bread, eggs, fruit, vegetables. She looks at the list again to make sure everything is there. Then she gets ready, takes her bag, and leaves her apartment. The supermarket is not far from her home, so she decides to walk. The weather is nice and the streets are calm. After a few minutes, she arrives at the supermarket. She takes a shopping cart and walks inside. The supermarket is clean and bright. There are many people, but it is not too crowded. Anna starts in the fruit section. She looks at the apples first. They are red and fresh. She takes a few and puts them in her cart. Then she chooses some bananas and oranges. After that, she moves to the vegetable section. She takes tomatoes, carrots, and some lettuce. She checks each item carefully before putting it in her cart. Next, she goes to the dairy section. She takes milk and a box of eggs. She also sees yogurt and decides to buy some. This looks good, she thinks. Then she walks to the bread section. The smell of fresh bread fills the air. She smiles and picks a loaf of bread. As she walks through the supermarket, she notices new products. She looks at them with curiosity, but she stays focused on her list. Only what I need, she tells herself. After some time, she finishes shopping. Her cart is full, but not too heavy. She walks to the checkout. There are a few people waiting in line. Anna waits patiently. When it is her turn, she puts her items on the counter. The cashier smiles at her. "Hello," the cashier says. "Hello," Anna replies. The cashier scans each item one by one. Anna watches and checks her list again. Everything is there. When the cashier finishes, Anna pays for her groceries. Then she puts everything in her bag. "Have a nice day," the cashier says. "You too," Anna answers with a smile. She leaves the supermarket and starts walking home. The bag feels a little heavy, but she does not mind. She feels satisfied. When she arrives home, she puts the food in the kitchen. She organizes everything carefully. Milk in the fridge, fruit on the table, bread in a small box. After that, she sits down and takes a deep breath. That was a good morning, she thinks. Later, she prepares a simple meal with fresh ingredients. The food tastes good. She feels relaxed and happy. For Anna, small routines like this make her life easier and a little more enjoyable. Thank you for listening. I hope this story helped you learn new words and improve your English. Try to listen again and repeat the sentences to practice your speaking and your listening. See you in the next story.